What are we gonna use? What aren't we going to use? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday, Sunday. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and then subscribe button, or one or the other, preferably both, but whatever, you know. We're gonna be playing with some flat brushes. I've never wanted to, never had the desire to, never have tried flat brushes before. And I got these the other day with my Shop Miss A order where everything is $1, and oh my god, if you haven't checked them out, you need to go check them out. This was $5 because there's 5 brushes in here. And I'm gonna see if I can use them all today. Yeah, we're just gonna go in with it. I've never used flat brushes before. I hear they're great. I hear they're really good. That one fell. These are soft though. Oh my. These are like super soft. Is that how it's supposed to? And they're dense too. I've been loving dense brushes lately, at least for like contouring. This might be not. I'm worried I'm gonna fall in love with these and then only have like 5 brushes to work with until I load up on more of these, and all my other brushes will be obsolete. But hopefully that won't be the case. We're gonna come in with my stuff. Normal. I zoomed you in. You're gonna get a face of this. I'm not sure what brush is for what. Oh man. It doesn't say which one is for which, so I'm just gonna kind of go in. I've seen a few videos here and there. I'm not 100% on it though. So I'm just gonna go in. I'm assuming this big one is for my foundation since it goes everywhere. That's nice. I needed my primer, Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm, because my skin needs it. Let's do this. Are you gone? Are you all over it? You kind of just sink in the middle. Like, I don't know if you can tell, only in the middle it looks like wet. And I've been able to do my cheek. I don't think I'm gonna do another pump. Like a full pump. What is that? Is that a line? Those are lines? What the fudge? Like, do you see this? It's a line. What are you doing? There's one right here. Can I buff it out? Is that all I do is I just buff? What's where are the it's just blend softly into your skin. Glide the brush, add more makeup till you get the coverage you're looking for. I'm looking for even coverage. This is not exactly my thing. Okay. I don't think I have to worry about falling in love with these brushes over my brushes. Or my sponge or whatever. Like, yes and no. I like the finish it gives. I'm not happy about how long that took. Needless to say, I don't think this is gonna become my go-to. Yeah, I think this will be my under eye. I'm gonna come in with this one. It's cute. It's from Just So Colors. I got this in my BoxyCharm for the month of October. Haven't been able to use it too much, so we'll just come in and use a little smidge here and there. Okay, we did that. That was cool. That was nice. Flipped in my eyebrow. That's actually pretty nice. Okay. Like the little contouring part, we're good. I'm actually gonna come in with my Tarte Park Princess palette because that's all I've been using like this year. We're gonna chisel out a B. We're gonna start with the under eyes. So I'm gonna come in with my pink or halo. Oh God. Oh my, okay. Well. That picked up a whole lot. My goodness, like wow. Wow. Okay. Next, I guess I'll use this one because I don't want to like reuse all the same ones. We're gonna come in with, we'll do Princess Cut today. No, well, yeah, no. I'm gonna do Angle. Oh my God, do you see that? It just tears through. And we're laying down a line. Yeah, wow. Okay. I'm gonna blend because I'm a little scared. Okay. That was pretty angry. But we kind of got whatever going here. I'm just so scared. Yeah. I don't feel like it blended. I feel like we're more brown than anything. Where are you? I'm actually gonna come in with Enhance. Right now I'm just trying to come through and brush off any excess powder I have. Which I thought I had a ton, but I guess none is really coming off unless it's all going in the brush. I don't know. Hi, eyebrows. I love you. Little torn on this little fella. This just did not blend how I wanted it to. I'm gonna actually come in with this one to try and buff everything. Did that help? Not really. Me and my high hopes. I mean, yes and no, I suppose. I'm gonna just come in with my blush real quick. I'm gonna use the big blush, the big brush, the bigger one. Oh yeah, I'm scared. I don't know what to. Yep. How do you do this? How do you? That's not gonna go on. I don't feel like this is, yeah. Blush. Highlight. I don't feel like these are for powders. I feel like these are more for creams. I'm no longer worried about these coming in and replacing my normal brushes because these have a purpose and it's quite limited. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use them wet or dry. When I was applying my foundation though, I noticed wherever I put it is where it sunk into the brush, and it was really hard to blend out with this brush. Not a fan. Just want to throw that out there. I did try and go in with my blush. I was scared to push too hard because it kind of came up, but it didn't stick too much to the brush, as you can see, because not a lot transferred onto my face. Same thing with the highlight. I mean, the contour was kind of okay. It was a little difficult. I don't think it went too well, but I mean, stuff got on my face. That's the whole point. And it's noon o'clock. Overall thoughts, I will not be getting any of these again, but I'll keep them around because I think for creams, they're amazing. That's what they're there for. That's what they're made for. That's their thing, and that's cool. So anytime I want to put on foundation, BB cream, I want to do cream contour, I want to do cream blush, whatever, that's probably gonna be my go-tos. Yeah, but still my number one. Can't beat a good sponge. Anywho, let me know in the comments down below if you tried these little brushy thingies, if you like them, you don't like them. I've heard mixed reviews from different people, and for me, you can go ahead and count that as a no. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Like I said, we do this every Thursday, Sunday. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you then. Bye.